The Milunho Car Vacuum MV-15000PA is equipped with a powerful brushless motor, delivering robust suction performance with 3 adjustable modes to tackle various cleaning tasks effortlessly. This versatile device combines 4 functions into one compact unit, offering vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and deflating capabilities, making it a practical choice for both car and outdoor use. The advanced brushless motor in this vacuum ensures high efficiency and a longer lifespan while operating quietly, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. With a built-in 6,000 milliampere-hour battery, this cordless vacuum provides up to 30 minutes of usage and supports fast charging through a convenient Type-C port. Its lightweight and portable design, along with a provided storage bag, allows for easy transport and storage, fitting seamlessly into car storage compartments or drawers. The thoughtful inclusion of various attachments, such as a flat nozzle and brush, enables the vacuum to effectively clean challenging areas like keyboard gaps and car air vents.